Okay, grade 2, here is our next method. I call this the post-it note method. And so you can see I have a post-it note right here. We're going to do this question and I'm going to show you how to use a post-it note to help you figure out the answer. So we're going to start again, always on the right. And so my new question is 45 plus 17. I want to go to my ones place and I want to add the two numbers there. Now I see my numbers are 5 plus 7. When I'm adding two numbers together, I always like to put the biggest number in my head. So I'm going to click in 7 and I'm going to add 5 more. So click that 7 in, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer to 5 plus 7 is 12. I'm going to put the answer right here on my post-it note. When I make 12, I need one group of 10 and 2 ones. Now, I need to remember that I can't keep this 10 in the ones place. So I'm going to take my post-it note and a pair of scissors and I'm going to cut my number apart. I'm going to leave my 2 ones in the ones place. And I'm going to take this group of 10 and I'm going to put it right here in the tens place. Now I can add my tens. I have 1 10 plus 4 tens plus 1 10. So I have 4, put that big number in your brain, 4, 5, 6 groups of 10. I'm going to put my 6 here in the tens place. And now I can see my answer is 62. Let's try another one. Let's try 59 plus 26. Okay, remembering again, my ones place and my tens place. Let's get a post-it note and put it up. And my answer that I'm going to get from my 2 numbers in the ones place might have a 10 in it. So I need to show it's going to have a 1 and it might have a 10 in it. Okay, so let's do that. Starting always on the right. We have 9 plus 6. So there's different ways you can do this. You can think 9, click it in your head and add 6 more. Or you can think 9 plus 6 is the same as 10 plus 5. Because I know 9 and 1 more makes 10. If I take 1 from that 6, I have 5 left. Let's put 9 in our head though. Click. Let's add 6 more. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So our answer is 15. 15 is made up of 1 group of 10 and 5 ones. But can I keep that 10 in the ones place? I cannot. So what I need to do is take my scissors again and I need to cut my number into tens and ones. Because 5 is in the ones place, it stays there. 5 ones. But I do need to take this group of 10 and I need to put it right here in the tens place. Now I can add all my tens. I have 1 10 plus 5 tens plus 2 tens. Put the big number in your brain, 5. 1 more is 6. 2 more, 6, 7, 8. So my answer is 8 groups of 10. And altogether, I have 85. 59 plus 26 equals 85. Let's do 1 more for good measure. 26 plus 38. Let's get that post-it note out again. We're going to put that right here. My answer may have a group of 10 and ones. So let's try. 6 plus 8. Once again, I want to put that big number in my head and count on. 8. Click. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 8 plus 6 is 14. one group of 10, 4 ones. But can I keep that group of 10 in my ones place? I cannot. So I'm going to take my scissors and cut my number apart right down the middle. So now I have my ones and my tens. My 4 goes into the ones place because it's a ones. And my group of 10 goes into the tens place. Now I can add my tens. 1 10 plus 2 tens plus 3 tens. So 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 more gives us 6. Now it's not just 6, it's 6 groups of 10. And that makes 60. 6 groups of 10, 4 ones. Our answer is 64. 26 plus 38 equals 64. Pretty cool, hey?